Did you ever want to learn to ride a motorcycle? Did you ever want to ride cross-country through beautiful landscapes? But were put off by the risks of riding? Unfortunately, riding can be dangerous. 25% are single-vehicle accidents. 75% of accidents are between motorcycle and passenger vehicles. 11,000 fatal accidents over 10 years. $294,000 non-fatal accidents over 10 years.
Hello, my name is Steven and I work for Airbag for Bike. We want to bring safety and peace of mind to all motorcycle lovers and everyone wishing to experience the wonders of motorcycling. I myself ride motorcycles, so I know how dangerous it can be without the proper protection. With this great invention, however, we will make riding a motorcycle as safe as driving a car. Please support our product to help make motorcycles enjoyable and safe. Contribute to our case and receive amazing benefits such as custom helmet or having your name inscribed on an airbag that saves a life, or get invited to our testing facility to see the airbag in action. Help us save lives today. Stay cool, be safe.